rap ever made in history. If you ain't got no nuts, you about to be an unsolved mystery.
Facts.
I pulled the Nina out, homie, and I'm straight tripping. I'm Jordan in this game, and my homies like Scottie Pippen. Slip the clip in and turn beef into chicken. Watch the plot thicken, motherfucker, listen. It's about to pop, nah, it's already popping. Homie bandit steady chopping, your bitch is penny dropping. And I'm on, and I'm on, wipe my motherfucking dick off your mouth. And I'm on, and I'm on, yes sir, and I'm on, wipe my motherfucking dick off your mouth. I got a 9 and a brand new 45 on my hip. You talk shit, you slipped. Trust that. Where you from? Fuck that. You a baller, where your money at? Let me get that.
Where your money at?
I'll be on some bullshit.
Where your money at?
Around on my block, get your damn wig split. I move more chickens than KFC. Ask them fools in the pen about Spider G. They know me. I puts that work in for searching. Late night, I got the block jerking. Give me the mic and let me spit some straight G.